So we're going to try out the Yabife. Yabife? I have no idea what it's called. But anyway, we're going to try this bad boy out. Let's put that there. All this stuff comes with it. But there it is. It's all charged up too. It's ready to go. The way you turn it on really is you just press this button. And you can see it's working. There's a piece of hair on it. And it's got, this is the charge cord. It's got a cleaning thing here. But we're going to try it and see how it works. And you guys get a chance to check it out. So here's your shaver, right? Or your beard trimmer. And I've got the beard blade on there. And of course, these are your two beard guards. This also can be used for the beard. And that's like, doing the little spots, okay? This is also for the beard. And I do believe we can pop this out and clean it too. Let me set that there. This is for cutting the hair, all right? This is the big wide one. And if you look, it says hair, gives you the number. This one says hair, gives you the number. And this is to do your ears and your nose. And all of them are basically the same on the back. When you look at them, they all have the same mechanism. A little thing here that catches here, as you look, and they all fit on the head of this the same way. And that's basically it right there. That's your beard trimmer. Here it is, the beard trimmer, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the head on this. So I'm gonna show you guys how you do that. And basically all you do is you come up to the front of it right here. I know you're gonna see these screws and you think you gotta unscrew it. No, you don't do that. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your finger here, you're just gonna push it. And it just comes off. And there's how it connects. And I'm gonna show you on the bottom here. You see this little hole right there? Well, you've gotta take this part right here, set it in that little hole, and then all you do is just push it. And it snaps on. To get it off, all you do is push it like that right here with your finger, or I'm using my thumb. And it comes right off. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Check it out. Oh, whoops, I turned it on. Don't want to do that. All right, so we're going to change this because I want to try to do my beard. So this is, probably more for cutting like the hair or something. But they give you this head right here. So this head right here is like you see that's like a shaver-like thing there. So now to get it on, we've got to get that little latch right there. Let me see if you can see it. See that little hole there? See that little thing there? That's going to go in there like that, and then you just snap it together, and bam. Now you've got it on there. It's got a little like trimmy area here, but this is the part that you shave with. So we're going to try to get this side, right? So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, right? Here we go. Boom. So let's try it. Whoops, I accidentally hit that. So watch it because you may hit the button. Let me get close here. Get my neck. Okay, let's turn it off and let's take a look. This side, oh look, I didn't get it up here. So let me get that. Let me get that real quick. Let's turn it off. Now to get this one off, the beard trimmer, which I just used, I'm going to push against it here. It's going to pop off, just like that, right? And I do believe we can clean this. It's got a little thing on top, and I think we squeeze it and we can open it, but that's for another video. Let's set this down. Let's try our nose and ear trimmer, okay? Again, you've got this little whatchamacallit there, and then you got whatchamacallit right here, and you got to get those two whatchamacallits together so that they make love. Woo, look at that. This one right here is the nose trimmer, okay? And you can do ears. And it doesn't pinch, so it's pretty good. All right, so how do you get the head off once it's on there? You come to the front, so the front has this dial on it. You're gonna take your finger right here and you're gonna push right there, and it just pops off. Let me show you. I'm gonna push on top here. Let me show you like this. And it just pops. You see that? See, it's got a little spring in there that catches it, and that's the thing that makes it, do its thing. So here's the nose one. Let's get rid of that one. And let's grab, this one looks like it's a special trimmer for like maybe, in here, little spots. See how small the head is? So we're gonna go ahead and slide it. See those right here? See that little hole right there? You see that little catcher thing there? It's gonna go right there, and then it's gonna catch on those two things, and it's gonna pop in, watch. Now, when you get it, you're gonna see this, and you're gonna think, I gotta unscrew it. No, you don't. So this one here, look, check it out. I'm just getting like Yeah, there we go. See how I got that little hair? So that, I think that's what that one's used for, right? So let's go ahead and press the button here. Now to get this off, all I got to do is push against it here, and it pops. Comes right off of there. All right, you see that? All right, let's set that one down, and let's try one of these. Let's try this one right here. We'll put this one on. You just kind of slide it in there like that, and snap it, and bam. Now you're ready to go. I don't want to screw it up. But you can use it for what I think maybe back here on your neck and stuff. But anyway, that's that one there. So then to get it off, all I do is push against it, pops right off, right? Very simple. You see these things right here? They're like the little springs that catch right here on this. And that's basically how it works. Let's show you the last one here. I got one more. It's kind of like that last one. We got to get it in the hole, right? Just like that. And then we just pop it on. Bam, ready to go. I don't know, I'm doing something here. I don't know. I'm just playing with it just so you guys can get an idea. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll turn that off. But that's how the heads of these things work. And this is how you get them off. Bam, they pop off just by pushing. And to get them back on, you just go bam. The best way is just to put your thumb there and just a gentle push. And it pops off. And that's it. And that's the mechanism. There's your little catch, there's your little hole, there's your little springs, and there's where they catch, right there. Just like that, let's see, so you can see inside. All right, so when you get the beard trimmer, you're gonna notice you've got some guards that say hair, all right? They say hair on them. You see that? There's two bigger guards that are for hair. And it also tells you how big they are on the bottom. You follow me? These are for hair, and that's that. All right, so now I've already got it on here, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it comes off. I just pull it off, just like that. You see those two arms? These arms right here? They have to fit in these little holes on the side, and you slide them in like this, right? So this is for hair. Now, I can change it like that. You see that? So that changes where the blade's gonna be. Now, if I turn it counterclockwise, it pulls it down. If I turn it clockwise, it pushes it up, all right? And this is for, doing your hair, right? So this is really close right now. So if I did that, I'd basically be balding myself. And I have beautiful long locks. I don't know if I want to do that, right? But anyway, that's how that goes on. So let me pop it off. So this one right here is for doing, you could do your beard with it, but it's for hair. Now you see the screws down there, don't let them fool you. The way you get the hair cutting one off is you push against it. And it just pops up, right, like that. So let me get the smaller one. All right, so this is the smaller head. Let me show you the difference. Here's the two heads. I'll put them together. You can see how they're different, right? So we're going to use the smaller one now, right? So I'm going to go ahead, get the thing in the hole down here, right? Pop it on, bam. Now I'm going to get the smaller guards, the guards that go on this small one like this. So I've got to get it in those little holes, right? Right there and right there. So I got to have what? I got to have the beveled side down. So what I got to do is I got to mash those up like that, right? So here we go. We're going to slide it in, and there it goes. It's all the way down. And you can see right here, see, it's what it says on it. And if I turn it to the side, what does it say? Does it say bread? No, it says beard. So yeah, this one's for the beard. And then you can change it again, like watch. I can go higher or I can go lower. Right here, basically, it's going to shave my beard right off, right? But if I go a little bit higher on it, it's going to leave some. You follow me? So then I could go zzz, right through there. I'm not going to do it because I already trimmed it. But anyway, so that's how that works, right? All right, so now to get the guard off, I just pull it. See, it says beard. Now here's another guard. So you got two beard guards, right? Let me show you here. Here they are, right? Whoops, let me do it like this. Here they are, right? And you turn them, and they say beard. Or do they say bread? Bread, bread, beard. So those are the guards for the beard. They won't fit on the bigger head, right? Let me just show you the bigger head. So the bigger head is bigger than these guards are. You follow me? You can't, that won't work with those two. So these two are for the beard, right? This is for cutting the hair. And these two are for the hair, right? So where's that? See, it says hair. Boom, there's the numbers on them. Hair. Boom, those go with that. This one comes with these, right? This one here and this one here. So you got two. And that's how it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.